Okay, let's take a look at the average sum and count statement now. So all I've done so far is brought up table 2, and we're going to run the count, sum and average over this total spend column here in our table 2. So if we open up a new query, and let's do the average of the total spend column. From table 2. Okay, so we can see the average here. So of these three numbers, this is the average of those numbers. Okay, and we can also do a count. So what this is going to do now, that's going to count how many rows are in that column. So there's 3. So if we had 4, that would return us 4. And we can also sum. And what that's going to do, it's going to add up all of these rows, the data, and it's just going to return it for you here.